Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of video editing with CapCut, a fantastic free app for mobile devices. We'll be specifically focusing on cropping videos, which is a great way to adjust the framing and optimize your content for different platforms. Before we jump in, make sure you have the CapCut app downloaded on your phone. It's available for free on both iOS and Android. Let's get cropping. Alright, here I already uploaded my video. Now tap on the video clip to select it. A white border will appear around the clip. Look for the editing tools above the timeline. You should see an icon that looks like a square with corners in and out. That's the transform button. Tap on it. In the editing menu, you'll see several options. We want resize. Tap on resize. There are two ways to crop your video in CapCut. Presets. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see aspect ratio presets like 16.9, great for YouTube, and 9.16, ideal for Instagram stories. Simply tap on the desired preset to crop your video to that specific ratio. If you want more control, you can use the manual cropping method. Once you're happy with your crop, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner. This will apply the crop to your video clip in the timeline. And that's it! You've successfully cropped your video in CapCut. Now you can export your project and share your masterpiece with the world. Remember to experiment with different cropping styles to see what works best for your content. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!